Guys, are you using Binance P2P to withdraw money to your bank account? Stop it immediately, or else your bank account is at the risk of getting freezed. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the best alternative way to sell your crypto and withdraw INR to your bank account without doing P2P. These steps are very easy and you will not get into any trouble. And mainly, your bank account will not get freezed. Guys, now before we start this video, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Guys, I'll be showing you the different and the best alternative way to sell your crypto and withdraw money directly to your bank account. Guys, honestly speaking, it's the best alternative way other than P2P. And also guys, you can use this method to withdraw money from any international exchanges like Bitunix exchange, Binance exchange, Bitget, BingX, MEXC or whichever exchange you're using. Now to show you guys, I'll be using Binance exchange as an example. Now the first step is you should sell your crypto holdings and convert it into USDT. And once you have USDT in your account, click on this withdraw option. Now here you have three options. You should select the third option called withdraw. Click on USDT. Select the first option called send via crypto network. Now guys, in the next step, you should have an account on CoinDCX exchange. CoinDCX is an Indian exchange and it will allow you to withdraw INR directly to your bank account. And guys, it doesn't matter like which international exchange you're using. You can directly send USDT from any international exchange to CoinDCX exchange and you can withdraw money. So guys, in case if you don't have an account on CoinDCX, then I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this video. So click on that link and create an account. Complete KYC and link your bank account. Guys, it usually takes like just 5 to 10 minutes time to complete everything. So once your CoinDCX account is ready, down below click on this portfolio option, and under this overview section you have this deposit option, deposit crypto option here, or you can also come on to this coin section and here also you have this deposit option. So click on this deposit option, click on tether USDT. Now here you have something called network and it's showing ERC20. I'll click on this and I'll select BSC BEP20 chain. Click on submit. Now scroll a little bit down and down below you have this copy option. Click on this copy to copy the address. Now come back to Binance exchange and paste that address here. And under network I'll also select BNB Smart Chain BP20 network. Guys, make sure that the network is same on both exchanges, okay? Or else you will lose your crypto. Now here under withdrawal amount, I'll enter 18 USDT. Here you can enter how much ever USDT you want, okay? Which you wanna sell and withdraw. Now click on withdraw. Click on confirm. So guys, once you complete the verification process, your USDT from Binance exchange will be transferred to CoinDCX exchange in few minutes time. Now come on to your CoinDCX exchange, click on portfolio. Guys, now if you come on to your coin section and search for that USDT which you just transferred, it will not show. There's one more step that you should complete. Now at the top there's an option called funds. Click on that. Here there's INR and coins. Click on coins. Guys, the 18 USDT that I sent from Binance exchange is showing here. So you'll have to click on this. Guys, you have to just tell them, okay, like from where you're getting that USDT. So to fill the details, click on submit details. It's asking, are you the owner of this deposit wallet address? Answer is yes. And here under purpose, I'll select this option called transfer to own wallet in another exchange. Now tick this box here and click on submit details. So yes guys, now it's showing completed. Now I'll come back. Yes guys, here you can see that 18 USDT is showing here. Now the next step is you have to sell this USDT. To do that, click on this market option, click on USDT, or you can directly search it up on the search box. Click on sell. Here you have a limited market option. I'll select market option and in this box here I'll enter 1589 rupees and slide this to sell your USDT. Yes guys, order has been filled. And if you come on to the home section, here you can see that I have 1566 rupees in my wallet now. Or you can also check your wallet balance here. Come on to portfolio, come on to the fund section. Yes, here also it will display the INR balance. Now to withdraw this to your bank account, click on this withdraw INR option. Here in this box, enter how much you want to withdraw. I'll enter 1500 rupees. Click on continue to withdraw. Now here enter the Coin-D6 OTP that you will get to your registered mobile number. Guys, here it will tell you like it requires up to 96 working hours to make the deposit. But in few minutes time only, you will get the deposit to your bank account. Click on OK. Yes guys, here my wallet balance is 66 rupees now. 1500 rupees has been deducted. And here under transaction, it's showing completed. Guys, just check the timings. I made this withdrawal around 2:54 p.m. right? And exactly at 2:54 itself, I received this 1500 rupees to my bank account. Guys, usually it takes about like just 10 to 20 seconds to receive the withdrawal. So guys, in case if you don't have an account on Coin-D6, then create account now. It will be very useful. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. And guys, on Coin-D6, if you trade futures, you don't have to pay 30% tax and 1% TDS. It's because under futures, you're not directly trading on virtual digital assets. You're just entering into a contract to buy or sell crypto asset. In simple terms, in futures trading, you're not directly buying the underlying digital asset. Instead, you're just speculating on its price movement. That's all. So futures trading a derivative instrument and you're not buying or selling crypto. You're just signing a contract with that exchange and predicting the price movement. That's all. So whatever profit which you make from crypto futures, it will all be taxed under general income tax slab, okay? And not under the flat 30% tax. And also there's no 1% TDS here. So guys, what are you waiting for? Join Coin-D6 exchange now. The link will be in the description of this video. And also guys, I'll show you one more interesting feature on Coin-D6 exchange. On Coin-D6, there's something called as Web3 mode. And here on this Web3, there's thousands of new coins and tokens available. If any new coins or tokens comes into the market, you can directly buy that on this Web3 page. Guys, here you can find more than 50,000 new coins on this Web3 page. Okay, now once you come on to your Coin-D6 exchange, at the top you have two options. Exchange option and Web3 option. So click on this Web3 option. Guys, even though I have funds on my Coin-D6 account, here on my Coin-D6 Web3 wallet, it's showing zero balance. So I'm gonna transfer a little bit of BNB from my Coin-D6 account to this wallet here. So to do that, click on add funds, select BNB. Here enter how much BNB you wanna transfer and just slide this to confirm. So guys, here BNB is getting transferred from my exchange to Web3 wallet. So in another 2 to 5 minutes time, this transaction will get completed. Click on OK. So yes guys, here you can see that I got a little bit of BNB into my Web3 wallet. Now if you want to buy some random new coin, then the first thing you should do is you should copy that coin's contract address. Guys, you'll find its contact address on that particular coin's website or Twitter. So once you copied the contact address, here you have this search option at the top. So click on this and paste the address. Guys, I copied a VSD token contact address and I'm buying that coin here. Now click on this to buy this token. So yes guys, here I'm buying a VSD and down below it's showing pay with. So here I'll pay with BNB, and to do that click on select token. I'll select BNB again. Here I'll be spending 50% like 0.0059 BNB to get around 8295 VSD tokens. Now swipe this to buy. Yes guys, my transaction is in progress now and my BNB here will get swapped to VSD token, and this will take around just 2 to 5 minutes time. That's it. And once the transaction gets over, the VSD token will reflect on my Web3 wallet just like this. And guys, while selling also, the procedure is same to same. Here you're selling VSD token and down below you will get BNB. Now just select how much you wanna sell and down below swipe this. That's it. So guys, this is how you can buy and sell new coins which comes into the market by using this Coin-D6 Web3 wallet. Guys, the link to Coin-D6 exchange will be in the description of this video along with VSD token details. So if you're interested, then you can check it out. Okay guys, now please do drop a like on this video, and if you have any doubts regarding this topic, also drop that in the comment section. And guys, if you're new to this channel and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe now. Now if you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.